In this video, we're going to write the fraction 1/4 as a decimal, and we're going to round it to the thousandths, hundredths, and tenths place. So 1/4, that means it's 1 divided by 4. We want to see how many times 4 goes into 1. So we could just write 1 and then see how many times 4 goes into 1. So 4 doesn't go into 1, so let's call this 10. As long as we put a 0 and a decimal point up here, we're good. So now 2 times 4, that's 8, and we could subtract 10 minus 8, that's 2. 4 doesn't go into 2. We can call it 20 as long as we move over 1. So 5 times 4, that's 20. And then when we subtract, we get 0, no remainder. So 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25. If you wanted to round this to the thousandths place, this is already an exact number, so there's really no rounding to be done. You could just leave it as 0.25. Suppose you could put a 0 after it. That wouldn't change the value. If you wanted to round it to the hundredths place, it's already in the hundredths place. So again, you're not really rounding. This is an exact number. But for the tenths place, since this is 5, we're going to round the 2 up like this to 3. And if you had the fraction 1/4, you wrote it as a decimal and you rounded it to the tenths place, that would be 0.3. But realistically, since we have this exact number here, 0.25, I would recommend you use that. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.